Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to open Kia key fob. First thing first, press the button on the side of the key fob to flip out the metal key. This reveals the slots where you'll start the assembly. Now find the small opening near the base of the flip it out key and use your finger or thumb to push into that slot. You should feel a little give. Now while pressing into the slot, push or gently pry the back of the fob away. You may need to use your small screwdriver to gently lift the back plate off. Now use your flathead screwdriver to slide under the battery of the non-grooved side. Gently lift the battery until it pops out. Now take your new battery and slide it under the grooves exactly the way the old ones was positioned, like positive side usually always facing up. Make sure it clicks into place and feels secure. Now, align the back cover with the front and press both halves together firmly until you hear a feel or snap. Make sure everything is flush and secure. Now try unlocking or locking your car to make sure the battery replacement worked. If nothing happens, double check the battery orientation, ensure the battery is new and fresh, and try snapping the fob together more tightly. And done, you've just replaced your swing up key fob for Kia like a pro. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.